So the next step will be to convert the script to the video. Okay, so you all know that we have you know created a complete script, right? So using this particular script, we will going to convert this all the script to basically our video form. Okay, so you just need to go to this URL, that is my-link.in slash Pictory. Okay, so just write this. We will also going to provide the link in the course mini video description or in the resources tab. Okay, so make sure you guys just go to the link this, or just type here my-link.in slash Pictory, everything in small, and then just click on this enter button. Okay, so this particular tool will going to help us to convert video script to video. Okay, so it's very easy to use tool. Okay, so there are plenty of things, and you can just go to this link and you can just come up to this video. Okay, and here you can see here it's giving you the concept to create account first of all using free trial. So let's create a free account over here. Okay, so you guys do not have to worry about anything. Okay, so let's wait and just create our account over here. Okay, so just put your first name. So in my case that will be Manisha, and in my last name can be Darling. So whatever your name will be, so just put that over here. Okay, and I will just going to put my email address. I will just right click and copy it over here, and I will just going to paste it. Okay, and just set your password. Okay, so just put your first name, last name, your email and password, and then click on this continue button. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, so it is creating our account, so you do not have to worry about anything. Okay, so here whatever option you feel suitable for your business, you can just go with that option. Okay, and then just click on this next button, click on whatever option you want. Okay, and I will just going to click on submit and sign up. And after you will going to do that, so here you can see the tool has basically we have created the account over here. Okay, so that's a very great thing, and these are the tools that Pictory will going to help us to create the video. Okay, so here you can see we have all this tool. Okay, so you can just click on this script to video, just click on this proceed button. And now my friends, here you guys will going to see over here we have this script editor. Okay, so you just need to just go to this tool. Okay, let me just show you guys. Okay, script to video. So basically whatever script you have, just copy that script over here like this. Okay, and then just click on this proceed button, that is script to video tool. Click on proceed button and just paste from clipboard. Okay, you can just allow it. So you can see it will automatically going to paste the complete script. Okay, so you can see it's saved now. Now you can see the option here we have is called as proceed. Okay, so here you just need to click on this proceed button. Click on this proceed button, and then this tool will going to give you the option to choose the template. Okay, so from here you can just choose whatever template you wanted to use. Okay, so here whatever you want to use you can. So for example, I want to put in this particular template, or let me just see some other template. Okay, let me just go with this template. Okay, so you can just choose it whatever you wanted to. And here the most important thing is this one, the ratios. Okay, So this one is for the Instagram post, and this particular ratio is for the YouTube shorts, okay, or Instagram reels. And this is the rectangle, that is the video which you see right now is called as this one 16:9. So this is for the YouTube video, okay. So make sure whatever you are choosing, so according to that you can just move over here, okay. So I will just going to click on this 16:9, and now you just need to wait for a few seconds. This tool will going to convert that script to the video, okay. So you guys do not have to worry about, okay. So this tool is very fast, 32%, 33%, 34%, 35%. So you just need to wait for few seconds, and this tool will automatically going to add all the script, and it will also going to add the visuals on that script, okay. So you guys do not have to worry about anything, okay. So it's almost done. That is 81%, 82%, 100%, and that's done. And now we are just about to complete the visual, okay. So let's wait for the tool to get completed, okay. So you basically do not have to do anything over here, okay. Just have patience. This tool will automatically going to redirect us there, okay. Okay, so it's almost created, okay. Now you just need to wait for few more seconds. Okay, let's wait. So guys, you can see that it has created the content for us, okay. So here you can just see according to the script, it has created the same script with the video, okay. So you can just click on this preview button, okay. So let's wait for it to show the preview video, okay. So this tool is just amazing, my friends. You can just create unlimited, okay. So let's wait for it to get here, okay. Video title, okay. So here, say goodbye to stress and anxiety with these 5 yoga poses that you can do right now, okay. So this is what our script is, okay. So say goodbye to stress. So in this video we will show you 5 easy yet, okay. So in this video we will going to show the 5 easy effective ways. So you can see this is what the preview is, and if you will going to play it here, so it will going to play the complete video over here, okay. So here you can see it has just added the graphics and the videos, okay. Now in case if you ever wanted to change something, okay, so you can just click on that scene. So you can see the video has been created with the scene. If you want to go with the scene 2, okay, if you want to go with the scene 2, and if you want to make some changes over here, okay, so you can just go to visuals, okay, and in the place of this video you can, let's say, put this video, okay. So this will be going to change, okay, like here, okay. So that's how it will going to work. And if you also want to add something your own video or like that, so you can just upload it over here. And we have some more amazing websites like Pixabay, okay. You can just go to this website, okay. So this will going to give you free images and videos. If you are not liking the video of Pictoria, so you can just go over to this Pixabay website, and from here in the place of all images you can just select the videos, search for the video, okay. So search for the video that is related to this stress, okay. So I will just going to put over here stress, okay, and I will going to click on this enter button, and then this tool will going to give us all the related videos that is related to stress, okay. So you can just select any one of the video over here, and you can just download that video, and then you can just upload that video over here if you do not like the one given by Pictory, okay. So that's how it works. So whatever changes you want to do, for example, you want to do the changes in the scene 5. Okay, so just select the scene 5, go to the visuals and make changes over here if you wanted to. Okay, so you can just go with the Pictory library. Okay, you can even search for that, or even you can just upload your video as well from this website called as Pixabay website. Okay, so that's how you can just uh, create the video very simple using Pictory website. Okay,